Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Bashi Weight Control Slimming Coffee. Weight management is no easy feat, but this skinny brew coffee can help in giving that slim fit body you desire. With support from Garcinia Cambodia. This product is made with a natural fiber that contains hydroxycitric acid, known to keep you feeling fuller for longer. Your diet coffee just got upgraded instantly. Each packet contains a powerful vitamin B blend which helps to boost mental and physical health. With an unexpectedly smooth, insanely delicious medium roast blend, this product enhances metabolism. Each packet is made with 100% premium coffee. It also contains essential vitamins B1, B5, B6, B9, and B12 which gives your body the nutrients it craves. The packets are infused with artichoke inulin, which promotes healthy digestion, making this the ultimate slimming coffee ever produced. Conveniently packaged and individually sealed so you can take your slim coffee sticks anywhere you go. Just open, mix, and enjoy. It's on-the-go convenience with no brewer needed. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.